Have you heard the phrase, live life king size? Well, Kingston would exactly do that for you. Known as one of the best public universities in London, this place has a lot to offer and give to its students. In the next few minutes, we will be unpacking all the necessary intel you need to know for getting an acceptance and being a part of this royal clan. Kingston University has stuck to its motive of enhancing their students' life and giving them an opportunity to shine since 1899. With so many admits rolling out every year, the university is home to talented individuals, which makes it one of the best universities in London. Beneath all this talent lies an amazing set of mentors, student health facilities, and a huge beautiful campus. Now that you know about the what, let us help you with why you should be a part of this reverend institution. With the reputation of being ranked as one of the top colleges in London, it is no doubt that Kingston University is a name that you might come across while looking for universities in London. It ranks amongst the top 50 UK universities and globally it is recognized in top 300. Apart from this, Kingston campus is a place that is no less than a fairy tale. The campus houses cafes, restaurant, bar, tennis courts and theatre rooms. To make this campus more serene, it is surrounded by beautiful parks and lakes. By being true to its motto of "Through learning we progress," the university's curriculum focuses on fostering learning and helping students discover their untapped potential. Some famous names that have put up Kingston on the map with their exceptional work in their respective industries include Tom Wright, Richard Archer, Nick Walshe, and Sam Chan. Kingston University is no alien to having the best courses. It has a great range of undergraduate, postgraduate, and PhD courses with a good blend of creative, technical, and immersive courses like marketing and advertising, mathematics, and music. But if your goals align to be an interior designer, be a part of UK's healthcare system, or be the next fashion revolutionary, then Kingston is calling out your name. Looks like you are all excited by the thought of studying here. Great! The university's acceptance rate is around 70%, so you have a great chance of getting in. To make sure you don't miss out on your chance, you need to be sure about the eligibility process. Even though each course will have its own specific requirements, but in order to get into the Kingston University, you will need to have a motivation-driven SOP, 2 reference letters, all your transcripts, IELTS scores. Voila! Your Kingston eligibility criteria is checked. Kingston's application process is smooth and easy. For undergraduate courses, you must assist yourself with the UCAS process. Here are the steps to apply through UCAS. Organize and prepare all necessary documents. Review course-specific requirements. Use this UCAS code for Kingston University. Pay the application fee, whereas for part-time and master's courses, you should apply online on the university's portal. Now that you know the fun parts of the university and decided the course you want to take, let's talk about the budgeting and finance that will go behind getting you to Kingston. A full-time undergraduate program at Kingston University would cost anywhere between £14,000 to £17,000 a year for international students, and for home students, prices will range from £7,000 to £9,000 a year. The university offers students a number of scholarships and different ways to help reduce their tuition costs. There are alumni discount, Inspire Future Scholarship, and course-specific scholarships that also have 100% of tuition waiver. Crazy, isn't it? One of the most popular and honourable scholarship at Kingston is the International Development Scholarship that's worth up to £5,000. So, you've got your courses and your costs covered. Now all that is left is planning your stay. Amber has many fully furnished student accommodation options just minutes away from Kingston University that you can choose from. Make sure to book soon if you want the first pick of our best properties. Still here? What are you waiting for? Get started on your application and get ready for the move. Calling all freshers. Kingston University's Freshers' Fair is the biggest in the southeast of England, with an entire week of orientation events, parties and bar nights to help new students settle in. Apart from your accommodation, if there is one thing you don't need to worry about, is getting a job after graduating from Kingston. Many reputed companies like Airbus, Morgan Stanley, Walt Disney, Health Insight and Marks & Spencer have internship as well as job opportunities for many students studying here. The university pushes the student to their potential and brings out the best in them in terms of career, personality development and health. We can keep going on about the career services, student clubs, university life and culture, but it is yours to experience. Well, that was all we had in store for you when it comes to studying at Kingston University. We hope this was your one-stop to all the information you needed. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ask us any questions in the comments below.